Welcome back. Today we will take with the new chapter, and the concept of this you did it in your 7th class also. Part of it you did it in your 7th class. So before we will start with the chapter profit, loss and discount, let's have a look on the formulas which we have to use it in this chapter. You must be knowing about cost price and selling price. This concept you did it in your junior classes, isn't it? Now, straight away we will go for the loss and the profit. Profit, according to the formula written over here, profit equal selling price minus cost price. Selling price and cost price, you know it very well. Profit percent, if you have to find out the profit percentage, formula profit upon CP into 100. Same way, loss equal CP minus SP means cost price minus selling price, and loss percentage loss upon CP multiply 100. If you will look at these formula of profit percent and loss percent, students, remember one thing, always whether it is profit percent or loss percent, it will always be on cost price. It will not be on selling price. So remember it. It will always be on cost price. Okay. Now come to the next one. If profit percent is given and we have to find out the profit. So by using the formula from these two formulae, you can find out profit and loss also by doing the cross multiplication. So profit equal profit percent multiply CP upon 100. So profit equal profit percent multiply CP upon 100. Same way, loss क्या होगा? Do the cross multiplication. Loss percent into CP upon 100. So loss is loss percent multiply CP upon 100. Okay, so by using these formulae, you can find out profit and loss if profit percent and loss percent is given. Okay, now come to the selling price. Selling price, we can find out the selling price straight away by using the formula if loss percent and profit percent is given. This formula or this formula is very helpful for your competitive exams also. So have a look on selling price formula. CP multiply 100 plus profit percent upon 100 if profit percent is given, and if loss percent is given, so instead of plus it will come as minus, and here the formula is same, but instead of profit percent it will become loss percent and plus की जगह minus का sign आ जाएगा. Okay, now come to the CP formula. In CP, if loss percent and profit percent or profit percent is given, so how can you find out the CP? Along with that, if selling price is also there. So CP equal 100 upon 100 plus profit percent into SP, or if loss is given, this is same as this one. So, but the terms has become reciprocal over here. So if loss percent is given, so instead of plus it will become minus. Okay, so like this you can use these formulas in the questions according to the questions which you will get it. Accordingly you can substitute these formulas. So sometimes there will be a confusion while applying these formulas. बच्चे confuse हो जाते हैं कि ऊपर आएगा या नीचे आएगा. एक बहुत आसान सी rather you can say trick or the concept which you can remember it. अगर आपको SP निकालना है in terms of loss percent or gain percent or profit percent, तो आप याद रखो एक टर्म है, अगर वो याद रखते हो तो आपको बहुत आसान हो जाएगा टू रिमेंबर द फॉर्मूला. SP में ऊपर CP में नीचे, मतलब SP इफ यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट SP में ऊपर मीन्स ये जो टर्म है ये ऊपर आएंगे. अगर एसपी निकालना है। सो एसपी में ऊपर, सीपी में नीचे। और अगर आपको सीपी निकालना है तो ये दोनों टर्म्स नीचे आएंगे। अगर आप इनको देखें, समथिंग, मोस्ट ऑफ देम आर सिमिलर बट दो स्टिल दे आर डिफरेंट। तो एसपी में ऊपर, सीपी में नीचे, मीन्स एसपी अगर निकालना है तो ये प्लस और माइनस टर्म विल ऑन द अपर साइड, ऊपर, एंड सीपी में नीचे। सीपी निकालना है तो ये दोनों प्लस और माइनस टर्म विल बी इन द डिनोमिनेटर। ओके, सो रिमेंबर दिस थिंग, एसपी में ऊपर, सीपी में नीचे। एसपी में ऊपर एंड सीपी में नीचे, मीन एसपी अगर निकालना है तो ये टर्म्स ऊपर आएंगी, और अगर आपको सीपी निकालना है सीपी में नीचे, सो सीपी निकालना है तो ये दोनों टर्म्स नीचे आएंगे। सो लाइक दिस यू कैन रिमेंबर द फॉर्मूला, एसपी में ऊपर, सीपी में नीचे। नाउ इन नेक्स्ट class we will start with the exercise or worksheet 1, which is related to all these concepts.